Query phrases are a way to simplify complex queries and make them user-friendly. A complex query can be mapped to a simple user-friendly query phrase. Whenever you use query phrase in a question, Vizard will substitute the mapped complex query to get the results. To use query phrases, go to the Query Phrases page under App Data. Specify the query phrase and specify the complex query as mapped subquery. As an example, if query phrase is display order efficiency and mapped subquery is count unique across main category where is purchase path and click rank less than 20, then Vizard will execute this mapped subquery every time you use display order efficiency in your questions. Vizard also supports parameterized query phrases. These are query phrases that can contain placeholders that can be replaced when used in a question. Parameters are specified with a hash followed by a number. For example, #1, #2, #3, etc. When users uses a parameterized query phrase in a question, they can replace the placeholders with fields or field values. As an example, if mapped subquery is show sales of #1 feet and query phrases #1 sales, then Vizard will execute show sales of California when you ask the question California sales. If you ask the question New York sales, then Vizard will execute show sales of New York. If you ask the question X sales, then Vizard will execute show sales of X. This allows us to use a single parameterized query phrase to act as a substitute for many queries. A query phrase can contain any number of parameters. For example, if the query phrase is how is #1 performance across #2 and mapped subquery is show #1 across #2. Note that a query phrase cannot contain parameters that are not separated using a keyword or a function. For example, #1 #2 across #3 is not a valid query phrase, whereas #1, #2 across #3 is a valid query phrase. Do not forget to click on the Update Query Phrases button on the top right after you are done with all your changes.